Hey you guys, today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. We're continuing to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly and all that good stuff. So I picked a book called Fly Butterfly for today, and I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. The wind blows softly, tickling the leaves of a milkweed plant. The air is sticky and sweet. It is summer. A butterfly flutters her wings. She is searching for something. A leaf still moist from the recent rain hidden at the bottom of the milkweed plant. Silently, she lands. This is the perfect place. What do you think it's the perfect place for? We learned yesterday that butterflies like to lay their eggs on a leaf. Maybe that's what she's doing. The perfect place to leave something special. The perfect place to lay an egg. Now the butterfly has flown away. She has left her egg behind. The wind blows, scattering many green leaves, but the egg stays on the leaf of the milkweed plant. The egg is round, not a perfect circle, but round enough, with a hard shell to protect it. And there's a hole in the egg, a tiny hole, but just the same, a hole to let in air and water and sun. So the larva inside the egg can grow and grow and grow. So there's the egg. Now the larva has 3 pairs of legs and a jaw that is very strong. It is hungry. It eats its way out of the egg. The larva, which is now called a caterpillar, is free. The sun hangs low in the sky. It is still summer. The caterpillar is hungry. It eats and eats and eats the leaves of the milkweed plant. The caterpillar gets bigger and sheds its skin. It eats some more and gets even bigger and sheds its skin again and again and again. Now the caterpillar has had enough to eat, so it looks for a place where it will be safe from birds and insects and the garden cat. Slowly, slowly, the caterpillar crawls onto another branch of the milkweed plant. The caterpillar makes a pad of silk and hooks itself onto the pad. It hangs upside down from the branch, looking very much like the letter J. So I told you that yesterday, that's how they like to hang. The wind blows, scattering leaves, orange, red, and gold, and bits of brown grass. It's now fall, and the caterpillar sheds its skin one last time. The sun shines its rays bouncing off the caterpillar's jade green skin. The caterpillar, now called a chrysalis, not a cocoon, a chrysalis, hangs upside down from the branch. And so a chrysalis is just when its skin hardens. The chrysalis hangs on tightly to the branch, and it's still, but only on the outside. Inside the chrysalis, something is changing, a great big miraculous change. Gone is the caterpillar's body, and now there are wings, orange and yellow and black. Such an amazing transformation. And the one thing I did notice that when we have our chrysalises, if you're kind of moving the net and stuff and it's moving, they start to shake, which is kind of a cool thing to get to see. It's time. The chrysalis cracks open. A butterfly emerges, but she is small and weak, and she cannot fly yet. Her wings are tiny and crumpled and wet. She clings to the chrysalis as blood pumps through her body. The butterfly must wait until she is strong enough to fly. The butterfly's wings get bigger, her body dries off, and the wind blows softly, tickling the branch. The butterfly takes off and lands on top of a purple flower. Using her straw-like tongue, she takes a long, sweet drink of the flower's nectar. So as you can see, the wings are kind of crumpled, and then they get dry out and they become straighter. The air smells spicy and is damp. It is fall. It is still fall. Soon it will be too cold for the butterfly with her delicate wings of orange and gold. So she flies, not alone, but with other butterflies. Hundreds of butterflies For thousands of miles, clouds of butterflies glide on wisps of wind. I think this would be a pretty incredible thing to get to actually see in person, all those butterflies. And that's a tree. It almost looks like they're in the ocean, but that is a tree if you look closely. When the butterflies are tired, they stop to rest, turning trees orange and yellow and black. Can you imagine seeing that? When they are thirsty, they stop to drink. Lakes shimmer with the butterfly reflection. Then they fly some more over green forests and silver cities. They stop to sip nectar from flowers, and they feel strong, strong enough to fly over the mountains of the Sierra Madre Oriental. At last, the butterfly can rest. She has made the journey to Mexico. It is winter, but it is a kinder winter here. No harsh winds, no sleet or snow. The butterfly looks for a safe place to rest and spend the winter. The butterfly finds a fir tree, but she's not alone. She is now with other butterflies. They are all nestled in the branches and on the bark of the fir trees, safe. Sometimes she stirs or wakens up a bit, but mostly she rests, waiting for the winter to end. Oh, and then up here I missed this. It said the butterfly sleeps. So it's almost like they kind of hibernate through the winter. They don't do a whole lot. Now it's spring. It's time to wake up. Time for the butterfly to fly home. She will begin her journey with other butterflies, but she will not fly all the way home. The butterflies fly north. She is searching for something, a leaf still moist from the recent rain, hidden at the bottom of the milkweed plant. Silently, she lands. This is the perfect place to leave something special, the perfect place to lay an egg. Now the butterfly is gone, but she has left behind an egg. Sounds similar because it's a life cycle and it will start over again. And a new butterfly's life will begin. The end. I thought that's a really cool book with some really great pictures. So I hope you enjoyed it. We'll use something we learned from the book to do our journal today. So tune in for that. Other than that, have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, kiddos.